Hi and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lema Dental Clinic. In today's video, we're answering one of the most common questions about dental implants. How do dentists insert dental implants, and is it painful? If you're considering dental implants, this video is for you. Alright, so what are dental implants? Dental implants are a permanent solution to replace missing or damaged teeth. They're made of titanium and are surgically placed in the jawbone, where they act as a replacement root for a crown, a bridge, or a denture. Implants not only restore your smile, but also help maintain the structure of your jawbone and prevent bone loss. Now, what is the dental implant procedure? Here's a breakdown of how dental implants are inserted. The first step is consultation and planning. You start by evaluating your oral health with x-rays or 3D scans to ensure you're a good candidate for implants. The next step will be surgical placement of the implant. During this simple pain-free procedure, a small titanium post is placed into the jawbone where the missing tooth used to be. This step will be done under local anesthesia, so you won't feel any pain during the surgery. Now about the healing process. After the implant is placed, it takes a few months for the implant to fuse with the bone. It's a process that is known as osseointegration. During this time, you may be given a temporary crown. The final step will be placement of the final crown. Once the implant has integrated with the bone, a permanent crown is placed on top, completing your new smile. Now, is the implant procedure painful? Many people are concerned about the pain involved, but the procedure is generally well tolerated. Local anesthesia is used to numb the area, so you won't feel any pain during the surgery. Now afterwards, some mild discomfort or swelling may occur, but this is usually managed with over-the-counter pain medications. Most patients find the recovery process much easier than they expected. At Lema Dental Clinic, we're dedicated to making your dental implant experience as comfortable and as successful as possible. If you have any questions or want to learn more about dental implants, leave a comment below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more dental tips. We look forward to helping you restore your smile.